That is some funky looking fuel. 369 miles. At 14.80, we showed 15.5.
Pulling into Nashville.
Horribly bad roads.
Oh yeah, there have been signs everywhere. Drive with caution.
Lots of cars with flat tires. Climbing Mount Eagle. Just taking it easy on it. We don't even have. Oh, they got pushed it too hard, didn't it? I can accelerate. We're at the rest area. That's the top.
We made it to the bottom. Very uneventful.
We're in Georgia. And then right back to Tennessee. 217,000 miles. We are in Chattanooga. Another $78 bill. Showed 16.1. We went 354.1 miles. And that comes to 15.33. So we did a little bit better on that spurt. The dash said 16.1. So we're 0.8 within each other. Got all this stuff out.
Dang it.
There we are.
We made it South Carolina at least.
Yeah, sir, I go. Right. We are 2 miles from Ron's shop. It's about 60 some odd degrees out here.
I'm Ron.
Good to meet you.
Haven't been resurfaced, haven't been touched, my understanding. 80-something thousand miles on them.
I like a original uncut casting.
I drove it back here.
Oh my gosh.
I just sent a video to you.
Oh my God.
I got a plug in plug.
They'd have to tear some crap up to do that, wouldn't they?
Yep.
That's all the way cold, right?
They was on it, I took it.
Damn, those projectors sound pretty good.
Well,
How you feel about it?
3 of them are supposed to be brand new with this last job. I've replaced 4 in the past. So we've got at least 7 new in. So 3 of them have 125 miles.
Potentially have 2 more that are original.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Oh yeah, he got it real close to his trailer. Oh, buddy.
Basically like a Velcro engine gasket set install.
You feel the bottom of the fully into it.
Yeah, we'll see how the bed plate works. You know, the bed plate goes.
Yeah. Well, the big thing off is it's like you put the board down right to the board.
Yeah.
It's got in it's starting to fit. One wheel.
Different hand.
They're about to do it.
Knocked it in. I mean, is it right on where the filler hole is? The drain plug on? Oh, so it's away. It didn't mess the plug up? I mean, I can try. I think there's double walls.
Ron's got a dent in his oil pan.
It.
It's almost 3 feet on that engine. It's big old dent out there. I mean, I guess it's no leak.
He wants to get rid of the aftermarket air filter setup.
For quite a while.
Getting oil in there.
I watched it off the oil change and it comes right down. But when I got it back, I got it working on it, oil everywhere. I think he just took it up and that or that's what I had a hole in it.
Probably fired it up everywhere.
The blue bug took it off on the way home. And then blew this one off. And then turned around.
Yeah, great.
I'm going over to put my phone in there tomorrow.
Wires, trying to turn that 11.
Broke it sideways. Bolt broke off in the bottom. From the radiator all the way to the front, it's all brand new. I drilled the bolts off the bottom.
And you had drilled them out.
Oh yeah. I could put a compressor on it, but I didn't think it hurt the compressor. It was all just in it.
Where would you want to get it?
Forward.
Yeah. As we take some of this stuff off, you can be like, no, yes, no, yes. I mean, I argue the benefit. Have you tried to push coolant through and then see what comes out?
Well, I had to change the filter, but I've never seen it.
Stand it. Yeah.
It looks like block gas.
I put this on my engine hole, on my motor, and I put a pump on it physically push the coolant strictly through it, it would come out as a trickle. But 4.5 hours to pump 7 gallons. You take all that, back up, right? If we could run it strictly on that line. Now, I haven't done that yet because I haven't. These guys, these fluid. If you tried to run all that fluid through here and then get your heater core warm, you'll never.
That's why the place is small.
You're gonna regulate it. That's why you keep it in there. And then the one thing we don't know is how much actually pushes. Now, how hard? I meant to do that. One of these freaking times, I'm gonna take the freaking boat off. And I want to see how much freaking fluid goes through it. You know, I don't think I've ever seen anybody do that. Just enough to catch, like you say,
Get her boom down. Okay, Ron's truck is loaded. The heads he had are in the back on a cardboard box in a trash bag.
There we are. We're gonna go have a sit down, maybe talk a little bit more so we can get an idea of what all he wants done with the truck. All right, there it is, our next truck. Breakfast room stuff. This is a nice little area here. So we've got some weight on it. I think I would like to go with a taller hitch. It is down in the front though. And you can kind of see that the truck is squatting. Greenwood, South Carolina. We go back by Ron's because I want to talk about the front end. He said he has a death wobble. We need to do the stuff before the engine, if you're following me. When we get done with the job and the cab is dropped and we're ready to be done with the truck, I don't have a whole bunch of little bullcrap punch list stuff. He had a whole bunch of work done to this. Take a look gander there, what we got? Could use some cab mounts, huh? I don't know what we're gonna say about the frame. Sinister leveling kit on it. Might as well take a look under here. We have hauled now about 1,100 miles. We've pulled the trailer. Have not pulled the truck yet. Our little ghetto power wires here. It did look like we had a line, so we might have an oil cooler issue. The perfect facade, it's unobtainable. I mean, there's always going to be something that might happen. We have to expect that. And then we'll have a great time because we're not so worried. Sometimes the truck gods are unfriendly. Been standing out here talking to a couple of guys that got that 7.3. Really, I don't like putting the people on camera on, but a lot of that stuff we just talked about, I should have got. We are right in the middle of our drive. My foot not in my mouth when I was like, yeah, let's just go ahead and finish this white dually and go ahead and drive it a couple thousand miles and work the crap out of it. All I was considering was like, can we make the engine run? I didn't think that we had drive shafts and rear ends and rear brakes and e-brakes and tires and valve stems and geez. But we made it happen. We're here in South Carolina. No adverse conditions because of us deciding to do it. And potentially when we get back with this, we'll still have a running truck. That would be the goal. Who knows if we even maybe jump back in the truck and haul it back here to Ron. It's pretty nice here. I'm sitting outside, the sun's shining. Remember I told you I broke the bolt off the fuel pump? Just spinning that in with the Milwaukee. And when it bottomed out, I didn't let off in it soon enough and pop this sucker smooth off. Okay, so it's about where I left it. I did not have it all the way up. Still pretty clear. Yeah, I'm good with that. We had one bolt vibrate out. We need better bolts and we need to go ahead and lock them on. Look, we lost one bolt there too. It's pretty much vibrated the heck out of it. And I wound up putting a ratchet strap across here because the bungees ceased to stay on the truck. I guess the 10 years that these bungees spent sitting behind the seat did them absolutely no justice. A piece of strap steel up and over. That's why I don't care about the strap. It's fine. I got to fix it that quick. Do need better paint. I can take that apart in minutes. All of that, all those bolts come out and it's nothing. You can have a TBC fault and the brake controller function as it's supposed to, because these function perfectly. I can even pull the bar and make it actuate. It just throws TBC fault while it's doing. I didn't grab the other brake controller, so I'm trying to justify it now. At least it does work. But we're fired up. I'm waiting on Julie to come out of the hotel room here, and we're gonna run back by Ron's, have another talk about the front end. I wonder if there's a car wash. Things are more aerodynamic when they're clean.